Lotto behind the screen on
This
there.
is Lotto. When we immigrate, we do a movie, we come at this place. Place is so wonderful. Mommy, we there so.
And I'm that cheeky. And that cheeky. And I wait on my boyfriend and he go buy me the expensive shit and everything I want. My boyfriend is the best boyfriend in the whole wide world. My boyfriend don't take no bullshit and my boyfriend will defend me to full ass. Ain't matter what foolishness I do.
Anybody want to test my wifey? Gonna ain't
My
problem.
boyfriend.
And guess what? This is the boyfriend over here,
Oh,
sir.
my wifey, anybody tell my girlfriend, in problem.
Boyfriend, don't follow the language because you don't really understand it.
You don't understand it.
No. You don't even know how to speak country western.
Boyfriend, don't try the shit.
No.
Because you talk like that every day, I try to understand you, baby.
Boyfriend, you talking like an African.
All you need to understand